In this video, I'll be showing you how I achieve my light brown smoky eye look for hooded almond eyes.
Now, before we get into the video, be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Also, follow me on Instagram at Kaleah Sharron. That's KALEASHARRON. And I'm also on TikTok as well. And be sure to check out my website, KaleahSharron.com. Now, let's get into the video.
Alright, starting off with a face full of foundation. My eyelids are prepped with foundation and my eyebrows are also done. As you can see here, I have lip oil on my lips. This is the vegan lip lux oil from Skinny Licks. SkinnyLicks.com is the best thing ever. And there's a Black Friday sale, so be sure to check it out. Now I'm prepping my lids for eyeshadow with some translucent powder. Any powder would really do. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush to get the job done all over the eyelid. Going into the Soft Glam Anastasia palette, I'll be using my medium-sized fluffy brush, and I'll be dipping that into the color Burnt Orange. And I will take that color and apply it mostly all over my lid. Now taking a more detailed taper brush, I'm dipping into the color Rustic, and I will be applying that color right in the crease of my eyelid and dragging that into the inner corners and also creating a slight wing. And keep in mind, guys, this is what works for my hooded almond eyes. Next, I'll be using the color Cypress Umber with the same brush and just applying that, starting off in the corner just a little bit and dragging it into the inner corners. This helps me to achieve a more smoked out effect. I'm taking my big fluffy brush and just blending that all out as much as possible. Next, to slightly carve out the lid, I'll be using a flat round top brush in the colors Burnt Orange and Orange Soda. And then I am using the color Glistening to get right in the corners of my eye to give it a little pop. Next, I'm using this small detailed tapered brush, and I am dipping that into Rustic and Cypress Umber to line my lids. And I'm going to follow that up with some translucent powder to just make sure that everything stays in place and the creases in my eyes won't form oil creases. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Ultra Liner in the color Brown, and I'm just going back to reinforce the line that I did with the shadow. And I'm using this flat top brush to line my bottom lash line with the color Rustic and Cypress Umber as well. And I also use this brush to get the corner of my eyes, and I go back into the palette actually and use the color Bronze to go back over my highlight in the corner of my eyes. Next, I am spraying my face with setting spray, applying lashes, and finishing off the face. That has been my light smoky brown eye for my hooded almond eyes. I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed this video.
Well, that's all I have for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see how I achieved this unruly hair, then be sure to check out the description box down below. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Kaleah Sharron. That's KALEASHARRON. And also be sure to check out my website, KaleahSharron.com. and skinnyleaks.com for all of your gift giving needs for this season and all year round. Until next time, I'm Clea Sharon. Bye.